Hello viewer, we will use the designs on it. Keep making the new shapes. Let's take that design again. There are the further shape. We have to take it. Let's choose the different option. Keep making the designs. We are going to make the sequence of these fuel tanks and pumps here. Finding or design. We choose that one. Over it, add some different color with angle.